Y'all see it too, huh? That's a beautiful red. Orange, burnt orange, sun-kissed red. I got no idea what color this red is, but this thing is nice. Y'all should check this out. Customer just dropped it off. He's gonna go ahead and throw some of our SSR spacers on here. And also he brought in himself an M Performance height adjustable lowering spring kit. So he wants it to where we take away the gap right here. As you can see, the stock gap is just intense. That thing, that like almost 4 fingers right there. We wanna bring it down to about 2 fingers. All right, so we're gonna lower this down, get the spacers on there so that the wheels will pop out a little bit more and get a little bit more handling and let this thing to sit just right. So you guys definitely stay tuned when we get the springs in and the spacers in.
You guys hear that two-step? It comes from the factory like that. This is actually a really rare car too. They only made 3,000 of them in California. This car's in for a little bit of collision repair. We got some damage on this rear door right here. Should be repairable, but we'll see what happens. This front door is definitely going to have to be replaced. You can see that the damages go far enough, deep enough to hit the intrusion beam. And once you hit that intrusion beam, there's really no fixing that door. It's just not safe. After that, we've also got some damages on the lower right fender right here. And of course, all of these rocker moldings are gonna have to be replaced as well. I'd say I'd give this about 3 weeks and this car should be brand new. What's up guys, it's Jack from SSR Auto Body. We just finished the repairs on this 2015 Range Rover Evoque. As you can see, it's a little bit different. Not only did we fix the vehicle, but we also added some blackout options that the customer requested. We ended up replacing these Range Rover letterings right there. Decided to go with the black, then had to end up painting these and wrap this lower spoiler right there. If you move on over here, you can see that all 4 of the wheels are powder coated gloss black. Also got these little trim pieces right there glossed out, as well as the moldings on both sides of the doors. It's a pretty badass look, and so to hand it back off to the customer.
My name is Vic.
And what you come here for?
So I had some collision damage that I wanted to take care of, and then also wanted to black out and murder out the whole car. Thing looks badass. I love it. They did a great job with the collision damage. Can't even tell anything's happened to the car, and it's just fire. I love it. And shout out to the guys at SSR Performance, Shaw and Jack. You guys really helped me out with this whole thing, so can't wait to drive it home to LA.
Alright guys, so it's Rick and Rod's birthday today, so Shaw wants to do something a little special. We have our mask on because it's still Corona season.
We're about to go pick up panini, kebab, and a cake and balloons, and maybe snacks. Okay, let's go.
You all set? Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you.
You too. Let's go.
Alright, so we got the panini grill, so phase 1 is complete. Now we're off to get the cake and what else?
Cake and soda.
Six feet. Thank you. Alright, so we have everything now. We're about to head over to the shop.
Let's go.
Happy birthday
birthday.
I appreciate you guys. Thank you.
Hey, look up. Let's eat. Gloves. Damn, this is nice. My God. Oh, I'm working. All right, yeah. Quiet on the set. All right, what's going on, everybody? Just cleaning up these nice, beautiful rims real quick. On this Austin Yellow M3, this car is so gorgeous. Car got dropped off. It's a previous customer that has gotten a lot of work done with us. We have prevented her from all her oil leaks. Now she is ready to get the rod bearings done on this car. Now she's almost ready. Okay, now she's ready to get the rod bearings done on this car. So definitely stay tuned and just go ahead and see exactly how this service. So definitely stay. He knows too. You know what? Just check out what we do to this car, man. Y'all check it out. We did these rod bearings right here. We'll test drive the car, get back to the customer. Hopefully they're happy. They will be happy. This car had other problems as well. Oil filter housing was leaking before. The valve covers were leaking, and the pan was leaking a little bit as well. It was seeping, so that's why we started recommending them to do the rod bearings. So we're already gonna pull the pan off. We're already in there. Hey man, always catching me at the wrong time. All right man, they got it quiet on the set. All right, check it out guys. Y'all remember this? It was up on the lift, then we put it down on the ground, and now it's here. As y'all can tell, the job is done. We have replaced the bearings on here and threw in some BE bearings in here. Now that she's gonna be able to run this engine the way she wants, we took care of all the leaks as well. So now let's go ahead and give the car back to the customer and let her drive off with it. Mind you, it's a her. Yes, that's right. Let's go. What's going on? Y'all remember this red M4? Well, springs are in, spacers are in. Doing a little bit more adjustment on the height, but we're pretty much done with it. He's locking everything up right now. Once we get this down on the ground, y'all check this out, how it looks. Check it out.
That's way better. I really like it. Yeah. So different.
What do you have to say about SSR?
I mean, amazing service. You guys have been working pretty fast, and quality of work. It's look at the cars that you have here. Your work speaks for yourself. So it's amazing. Thank you very much.
All right, guys, there you have it. As you guys can tell, car is settled. It's gonna take about another week for it to settle down. Definitely check out how it drives down the driveway and when it drives off. Let's check this out. Have it, guys, another F80 with a nice little stance package going on. If you guys are looking for anything else for the F80 market from what we just did right now, height adjustable springs for spacers, if you need some type of power pack for it, we carry a power pack. If you're looking to go stage 2, if you're looking for a repair, if you're looking for a body shop to go to because you got into a collision, whatever it is, come on in, click in the link below. We got our SSR auto body, we got our SSR performance, and if you haven't already, subscribe and drop a like if you like the video. We out! Another car, another day.